In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly convert a Word document into a PDF using Dropbox. PDFs are the best way to keep your formatting intact and make sharing with colleagues, friends, or clients super simple. First, log into your Dropbox account either on the web or through the desktop app. Once you're in, locate the Word document you want to convert. Hover over the file and right-click to open the menu. From there, select Save As and choose PDF as your format. Dropbox will automatically handle the conversion for you. No extra software needed. Within seconds, your new PDF will appear right inside your Dropbox, ready to share or download, while keeping the original layout exactly the same. And that's it. You've successfully converted a Word document into a PDF with just a few clicks. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Dropbox tips and tricks.